Okay, I have been trying to make this video for a while. I have probably done 10 takes on this, and it just never quite seems to come out how I want it to. So let's just get down to the bare bones of what I'm doing here today. I am going to show you how to make a chocolate bar. So pretty simple, takes about 4 ingredients. Really good. Let's get to that before I mess this up. Okay, so what we've got here, we have got, let me move my hands, I'm trying to, alright, here we go. We've got coconut oil, just run-of-the-mill coconut oil. It's usually hard, but it's so warm in here today that it's liquefied already. So, we're going to take our coconut oil and we're going to dump it in our pan. Boop. There, get out of there. Alright, next we have here is our cocoa powder. Oh, by the way, that is, that's a half a cup. A half a cup of coconut oil. Then we have a half a cup of cocoa powder, just baking chocolate cocoa powder. Trying to do this one-handed. Alright, get it all out of there. Oh, look what I've done. Alrighty then. Get out. Yeah, this is how this video has been going, but I figured, you know what, let's just do this. Oh, good Lord. Okay. And then we have 3 tablespoons of honey. La 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 la, get out, get out, get out. Honey, honey, isn't that pretty? Yeah, okay. I'll scrape the rest of that out. Oh my goodness. Alright, and then the recipe actually calls for 3 tablespoons of honey and 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, which would work for other people, but I tend to use stevia because I don't like to use a lot of sugar, so I actually am going to use another 3 tablespoons of stevia. Alright, there we go. Alright, let's go take that to the stove. Okay, after you got all your ingredients in there, turn on the stove to low. And since my oil is already melted, it's not a whole lot of melting, you're just heating it up. You just mix it all together and till it all gets well blended. Also, you can put vanilla in there, which is also something that's in the recipe. But I don't have vanilla, like most of us. Our pantry might be running out of some of the higher end things, so it tastes pretty good without vanilla. But you can throw a little vanilla in there if you'd like. Also, what you're going to do is you're going to take a cookie sheet. Well, if you have a mold, a candy mold, you can just pour it directly in there. I don't have one, so at least not available with me right now. So I just lined a cookie sheet with tin foil, and when this gets all melted, we'll just pour it right in there. In case you're wondering, the Lord of the Rings is playing in the background. That's what you're hearing. Alright, looks like it's done. Everything's melted together, and let's pour it into the cookie sheet. Now this is a little bit hard with my one hand. So otherwise I would scrape what's left in the pan onto the cookie sheet, but I only have one hand available, so we'll just not worry about it. And then also, this is a lot easier if you have 2 hands. You'll just kind of run the chocolate back and forth till it gets all over the pan. Alright, and once you get it spread on there, then you're going to just pop it in the freezer or the refrigerator for just a little while. It won't take long to harden it up, and then you can break it or cut it or whatever you want to do with it. Okay, here we have our chocolate. And if you have a chocolate mold, you could pour it in there. But I do not, so I just lined my cookie sheet with tin foil, and I didn't really leave it in there quite long enough, but to kind of give you a look, ta-da, chocolate. And yes, I will taste it for you. It's good. Yummy. All right, well, I hope that was entertaining. Maybe a little enlightening, but entertaining at least. So I will be posting something else tomorrow. Have a good day.